Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. Today's video about how to reverse on a TikTok. So if you are looking for this video, then this video is for you. Watch it till the end. First go to TikTok apps. After that click on plus icon. Then press on red button. After then click on right icon. Then you will see effects option. Then go to effects option. And you will see lot of things like visual, sticker, transition, split, time. So go to transition or split or time. After coming the time option, you will see reverse. Then if you press on it, then it will be reverse and it look like this. Hopefully you likes our effort. So if you likes our effort, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. So today is bye bye.